Now this next indicator is a really useful tool. It helps us determine the trade size that we should be placing in the market based on a number of criteria, such as the percentage risk, the account balance, where we're placing our stop losses. It also helps us determine the risk reward ratio when we factor in our profit target in relationship to our stop loss level. Come and join me on the charts now and I'll show you exactly how it works. Okay, so once you've successfully downloaded and installed this Expert Advisor to your MT4 trading platform, it's going to look like this. Now this is a risk manager. It will basically place trades for you with stop losses and take profit targets. Very, very important and useful tool. You can attach one of these to as many different pair charts as you wish. For the sake of this video, I've just attached it to one chart, the Euro US dollar. Now to click on the Expert Advisor, you go to the top left there, click on, and by default you will see two lines, a red line and a green line. The green line is the take profit target, the red line is the stop loss level. Because the current market price is trading at 124.96 and my take profit target is above and my stop loss level is below, the Expert Advisor is going to work out that I will be wanting to buy, so it will say click to buy. If I was to reverse that round and have the take profit target below where the current market price is, the Expert Advisor will work out that I now want to sell. So it will go click to sell. Now, a key feature of this Expert Advisor is the percentage risk control here. Now you'll see percentage risk is being set here at 1%. You can change this to whatever setting you want, 1/4%, 1/2%, 1%, 2%, or what have you. Okay, and it's going to work out the size of the trade based on the account balance that you have. So the Expert Advisor will work out that 1% of this balance, which on this account is it's a practice account, is 9,700. It's going to work out that 1% of this is about $95. It's actually $97, but with this spread. And it's going to work out the currency pair that I'm looking at, the Euro US dollar. So it will work out, if this was the pound against the Japanese yen, it would work this back out into a 1% risk of a US dollar account. So it does all those calculations for you. So it's worked out here now that for me to have this profit target in place and this stop loss just by that swing low, for example, placing that, I need to execute 0.24 of a lot, which will lock in my maximum loss of 1%, $97. It will also show you the risk reward ratio here. As you move the stop loss level further away, you'll see the risk reward ratio also decreases. A lot of traders like to keep a track of their risk reward. Never trade less than 1%, some 1-to-1, some will say. Some like to trade no less than 2-to-1. So you can adjust the risk reward ratios to suit whichever risk reward ratio that you indeed like, and you can see the lot size is changing as we go. Placing that there now, market order would place that market order at that level. You can see here down here, market's been placed, orders been placed, 0.22 of a lot. There's the currency pair, there's the stop loss, there's the take profit target, and so forth. This is a practice account with just under $10,000 in there. Now, not only will it work for market orders, but it also works for pending orders as well. So to go for pending orders, you would click reset and then go for pending order. Now, when you click pending order, you'll see that there's an additional line. This is a yellow line. This is where you want to enter the market. Now, for example, current market price is $24.99. If I want to have a pending order below there, so I'm looking for the market to come back a little bit. If it comes back to this level, I will enter a trade at that level. Now, because I'm waiting for the market to come back and my stop loss level is below, take profit targets above, the Expert Advisor will work out that it's going to be click to buy. It will show you the lots that are going to be traded based on this 1% risk, and it's going to show you my risk reward ratio based on where I have my stop loss level and take profit target. Clicking on click to buy will enter that pending order into the market, and you can see it down here. Buy limit, 0.22 of a lot, currency pair, prices there as well, stop loss, take profit targets, and so forth. And the same thing, if I was to go the other way around and have a pending order that is above where the current market price is, that means I want to be selling because I'm waiting for the market to rally up to a price where I will become a seller. My stop loss is above, my take profit targets is down. Again, another pending order. The expert works out that I'm now going to be a seller, so it will say click to sell. The risk reward ratio is worked out for you as well, moves as you move the targets. And of course, the lots is also calculated for you on this currency pair using this denomination of account and this balance, all done for you. Placing that in there will place that order for you as well. You can see this is a very, very powerful tool. Very powerful if you're looking to compound using the same percentage risk on each trade. As the account grows, the percentage risk won't change, but the dollar amount will change in terms of your risk. As the account goes into drawdown, the percentage risk won't change, but the dollar amount at risk will change, protecting your account in drawdown periods as well. It's essential that you control risk in your trading, and this is a fantastic tool to keep you focused, to control risk on each and every trade you do. As always, any questions, do let me know.